Hello everyone, today's all show you how to earn 0.4 BNB. Now I have 0.005 BNB on my wallet. First of all, we click on the browser button and search claim Masa.network. Foreigners has all information. Masa is Masa finance project. Scroll down. Copy the smart contract. Go back to your wallet. Click the Add Custom Token function of the app. Go back to your Airdrop website. Change network, then click Claim 5000 Masa. Button, click Connect and confirm to their website. Go back to your website. And click Swap button. Connect your wallet, and click Swap button. Wait transactions. Congrats, you received 0.4 BNB. But just enjoy a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more airdrop.